What's up? It's your homie Jay Woo. And it's weird because it's warm and it's winter. And I don't know if you're from Michigan or Wisconsin and all these places. It's usually really cold. So I'm hanging out in the garage. It's a wonderful day. Get some stuff done. And yeah, man, happy 2023, guys. It's good to see you again. Haven't done a video in a while. Been busy. Tattoo shop, BSC, Black Eye Social Club. That's my place. If you like tattoos, come get some. If you like car stuff, we do tons of car stuff there. It's pretty much a lounge. It's like a clubhouse, and it's a tattoo shop. So, RX-7, things are normal. I don't know what to do with it. It just hangs out. Drive it now and then. But I realize times are rough. Unless you're selling eggs and you're egg chicken pimp or something, you know, it's weird. So I need to start a new budget. And I had extra little cash, and I just decided, hey. All right, guys, so this is what I got. A 1990 Mazda Miata. 100 horsepower, rear wheel drive, and I probably found the most clapped out one on the internet. Unfortunately, something happened with this car, and we're gonna take a look. One, you have a horrific dent right here, okay? And you have lacking of paint here. You have a horrific dent right here. You have a dog right there. Those wheels are hit, which sucks because these are sort of expensive wheels. And this wheel is also totally cracked out. So the story is that the previous owner was driving and somehow went off road and flew into trees. Okay, at first I was like, trees? I was very scared about buying this car, but I said, little trees? You know, trees are like maybe that thick. And they said, yeah, it wasn't like, I don't think they hit big trees, okay? Pretty crazy. So I bought the car, really, like I said, at a really low price, but chances are this car could have been totally wrecked. So far, with looking under there, we discovered that there's a control arm right here that's bent. And it looks like everything's pretty straight, so I got pretty lucky. Now, the good things about this car is, one, this car has 115,000 maintenance miles with maintenance logs. Not very good maintenance logs, but some are maintenance logs. Cons, I don't know where that happened. Trees possibly did that. The exhaust is right there, and it sticks up into the trunk. Don't ask me why. That's crazy. The interior is clean. I've got a little messy. All right, were you going for a ride? It's my neighbor taking off, by the way. Okay, hey, what's up? We're not going for a ride, bro. Okay, so the dog's checking out the car. So, it's clean. You know, I love the gauge cluster. I love this little car. I fit in it real well, and I'm fat. At first, I thought I was doomed. So, this is pretty good. This is a Pro. Where are we going? All right. But fairly clean. It must have been professionally detailed for sure for the sale. This car runs really, really good. And this all runs very nice. I have to go through here and just check little stuff. I'm sure there's little things wrong that I have to adjust and then go from there and then fix things. But overall, this is a very nice OEM-ish setup car. Actually, OEM setup car. So I'm excited to see what we can do with it. But yeah, this is the budget build. So this is the new car that I'll be working on. I know it's a little crazy because I have this, and the things I want to do with this is we're going to work on some more stuff, but times are tough. We got the off-road Raider. We got to do some more off-road with that. I've been doing a lot of off-roading, and I'm sorry guys, I didn't film any of it, which was stupid, and you guys could enjoy it, but I want to do Hollyoaks in it before I put it up for sale. I'm probably going to sell the Raider. If you're interested in the Raider, feel free to reach out, but we'll do another video soon. And then as for the RX-7, I have it posted for sale, and it's a great car. I love this car, but if I get my asking, it will really make my life a little bit more comfortable. As we're doing a lot at the shop, I decided at my business that we're going to rebuild and do some things in the business. I got 2 new employees. One's an old employee, really good friend of mine. Man, you got to grind hard, you know what I'm saying? Get out there, grind hard so we can enjoy your hobbies. Oh, I forgot about the dog. So anyways, this is the Miata. I hope you guys like it. If you don't like it, I don't really care. I hope you can make fun of it all you want. Hey, you want to get out? Come on. There you go. So, we look at the control arm. We're going to get to the control arm. We're going to need wheels. So everybody's selling some wheels. Cool. And we're going to need fenders. So that windshield and that rear exhaust, it's got to go for sure. And that's what we're going to start at. We're going to see how things go for here and follow us along. So next week we'll get to work on something. I appreciate you guys watching. For real. It means a lot. You brought this into a great year. We're over 1,000 subscribers now, and things are just going great. And I'm sorry I haven't made a video in a while. It's been hectic, but I'm not going to give up just because life is getting hard. We're going to do more fun stuff.